Parents, if you want your child to be economically independent straight out of high school, a career in the trades industry might be the right path for them. West-MEC is a public school district in the Valley that prepares students for a bright future through industry, standard equipment, experienced instructors, and leadership opportunities.
West-MEC is a public high school district that serves high school students and adults. We have 29 different programs, all in a career technical setting, anywhere from electrical to construction, automotive, hairstyling, medical assisting, physical therapy, aviation, heavy diesel. I've probably missed a whole bunch. We have 29 programs here.
We do a little bit of everything. Some people ask me what this class is, and I tell them it's more of like a jack of all trades class, because you literally learn almost everything. And what's cool is the teachers, Mr. Bruce and Mr. Healy and Mr. Timmons, they want to teach you whatever you want to learn. We do a lot of fun stuff too. Last year in our float loop lab, we got to pull apart things on our big diesel generator that is used to power sites offline. It was so fun. That was definitely the highlight of last year, was pulling everything off with the big crane. It was absolutely a blast.
And these students are going to come out industry ready at an entry-level position. They can hit the floor as maintenance or operators in power plants, in manufacturing, industrial warehouses, all of it. We spend about 1.5 days a week in the classroom. The rest of the time is out here doing practical applications. We're doing electrical, we're doing mechanical, we're working on pumps, we're working on valves, we're working on bearings and shafts and alignments.
After looking into this class and all the things it offered, I was like, this class would benefit me more than going to an auto class or a welding class, because I am touching things from electrical to basic tool knowledge to learning how to oxy-acetylene torch things, and it was just, I found it to be better for me long-term than taking one of the more direct classes. One
of the biggest things that we try and put in this program is a leadership and professionalism portion. It's actually part of their grade. The professionalism. Are they on time? Do they show up? What is their attendance like? Almost every one of our business partners will tell them that's one of the first things they want to see, is they're going to come out of here career ready. If you're looking for something that when they graduate high school, they can go right into a job. They could be a career as long as they want. These are the programs that'll get them there. To the parents that are on the fence about sending their kids to any one of our programs, first thing I would say is we have about 4 open houses every year. Come, look at the program. We have displays out. We have some of the students here to describe the program. We're here. The administrators are here. It's a great way to find out if one of our programs or which one of our programs is going to best suit you and your kid.
Confidence-wise, I will say I have grown way more.
Applications for the 2023-24 school year at West-MEC are now open. For more information, go to the website or call the number you see on your screen.